All right, we're going to take the basic flower bowl that I showed in another video and take it one step further. I've used the cutters from Dela Designs, using a couple of the sizes to make my petals. And then I've taken different types of rollers to add texture to each one of these petals. I've laid them inside of a ceramic bisque bowl because this clay can sit in here. I don't have to worry about it drying to the clay. It will release and it will give it its form. In the middle of this flower, I'm going to take where all these petals overlap and I'm going to squish them together. I'm not scoring, I'm not slipping, I'm just taking and pressing that clay all together to attach it in the middle. Then I'm going to take my smaller petals and I'm going to lay those kind of in between those bigger petals, again overlapping in the middle. And then I'm going to press all of those together in the middle as well. Then I'm going to take a ball of clay and I'm going to flatten that out and taper the edges. Make sure that it's the size that I want. This might be a little thicker than I want, so I'm going to peel some of that clay away. Make a little bit smaller ball of clay because your clay in the middle of the flower is going to be fairly thick. And so we don't want to add a great deal of thickness. You'll want to loosely lay plastic over the top of this to prevent it from drying out too quickly. And it'll allow it in the middle here where the clay is thicker to dry more evenly. I'm scoring both sides. I'm going to take and put some water on that area where they attach. I'll put that center piece in there, squish it, wiggle it a little bit, make sure that it's attached well, and then I can use a wooden tool or the end of a brush handle just to poke lots of texture into the center of that flower. And these flowers can be used just as decorative pieces to sit on a table. You can make them by putting a hook in the back of them so that they hang on a wall. You can put them on a garden stake outside for a nice accent in a garden. And then go back and kind of lift up these petals and you can give them a little bit of curve and a little bit of character. Sometimes I'll either take small pieces of clay and wedge them in between here to lift those middle petals up. You can use newspaper, paper towel, anything that will raise those petals up so that they're not just laying flat inside. And that clay won't stick in there. You can let that piece dry inside the bowl. You could, if you're doing this as a workshop and you didn't want to worry about lifting them out, generally when they're dry, you can flip the bowl over into your hand and lift them out. But if you're worried about them breaking, just leave them right in the bowl, fire it to 04. Once the clay is dry, pop them out of the bowl, and that bowl is totally reusable as many times as you want.